Let's first take a moment to understand what it really means to be present. In yoga, being present refers to a state of awareness in which we are fully immersed in the current moment without distraction or judgment. We bring our attention to the here and now, whether we are holding a posture, focusing on our breath, or observing our thoughts. This concept is often referred to as mindfulness, the practice of being fully aware of what's happening in the present moment without trying to change or skip it. So in yoga, we practice mindfulness by consciously engaging with our breath, sensations, and movements. It's not about performing perfectly or thinking ahead of the practice that we do to the next pose, but it's about dropping into the moment with a complete acceptance. So, as yoga teachers, one of the most powerful tools we have to cultivate is practicing the present moment through our breath. The breath is the bridge between the body and the mind, grounding us in the present moment. So, when we teach our students, we are teaching them what we practice. When we focus on the breath, we naturally center ourselves and let go of distractions. In this session, we will discuss about how to bring this idea of presence into our physical aspect of the yoga, which is the asana. So in the asana practice, it is easy to get distracted by how a posture looks, how deep we can go, how quickly we can move through a sequence. But true yoga is about being in the experience, not in the outcome. Each time we move from one pose to another pose, from one posture to another, we have an opportunity to be present with our body and breath. So as we align our body, notice the sensations in each joint and muscle. Feel the stretch, the strength, and the stability of each pose. As you move mountain pose to upward salute, to forward fold, plank pose, upward dog, every movement, every asanas that you do, as you move, feel the joints and the muscles. Throughout each transition, stay aware of your breath, the sensations in your body, and every movement in the joints. This is where we cultivate the presence through every movement, every breath, every moment. Notice the shift from thinking about the next pose to simply experiencing one you are in. Being present is not only about movement, it's also about stillness. Meditation and relaxation practices in yoga are powerful ways to hone our ability to stay in the present moment, free from distractions. To practice stillness and deepen your presence, it is important to cultivate a space for non-judgment. In meditation, we observe our thoughts without attaching to them. In relaxation, we let go of any tension and simply exist in the moment, free from the need to do or change anything. So, as yoga teachers, it is important to understand being present is the foundation of yoga practice, and it's something we cultivate each time we step onto our mat. Through breath, movements, and stillness, we learn to let go of distractions and embrace the moment as it is. By practicing presence, we invite more peace, clarity, and mindfulness into our lives and into our teaching. So, as yoga teachers, it's our job to guide our students in this practice of presence. It's all about helping them experience each posture, each breath, each moment with full attention and awareness.